G'day, I'm Gus, this is Telfo, and welcome to Street Machine Summernats 36.
This is the first of our daily update Summernats videos presented by Heron Forbes Machinery House. We're at GIO Stadium with Meninga Stadium right behind us. Go the big man. Where the new scrutineering setup is. Gus, how's it sort of flowing?
It's flowing very well. The cars are just pumping through here.
It's a good setup. It's further away from the actual event. Cars can come, line up, get scrutineered, get checked for all the necessary things. Then they go inside. Some judging is done here. If you can't eat judging, you can buy your merch, you can have a cold beer and a bite to eat.
There's an ice cream thing in there too, that's pretty good.
Very important. And then head out to the Nats.
Yep.
All right, let's go and see some of the cars that have come to participate in the world's greatest car festival.
Yes! Greg, you're here at scrutineering today. How's it been?
Steady.
Where you come from?
Dubbo in New South Wales.
Tell us a little bit about the car.
34 Chev Master Coupe. We got it probably in 2004. A lot of good mates helped me and got it finished in 2021, I think it was. So long build. Yeah, happy with it though. Drives well.
What's it running?
Big block Chev, supercharged, power glide, 9-inch, 4-bar.
So it goes all right then?
Yeah, it pokes along all right.
Nice. And what events are you entered in? Any this weekend?
None, mate. Just cruising around. Have a good time.
Cruising?
Yep. Have a look at all the good cars getting around.
Sweet, man. Well, enjoy.
I will. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
See you around.
Hey, mate. Okay, Rob, tell us a little about this Tirana you got.
So I built this about nearly 10 years ago. It's just a stock SL, which is running a 308, 5-speed, true track banjo in it. Sweet ride, just a cruiser.
Are you here this weekend just to cruise around, or are you entered in any events?
Hopefully I'm in just maybe the lower grade of the show and shine.
Oh, okay.
But
What are you talking, mate? It's bloody beautiful. Look at it.
Just more of a cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you have fun.
Enjoy the atmosphere. Yeah, 100%.
Awesome, man. We'll see you out there.
Yeah, and you too. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Summernats 36 scrutineering here at GIO Stadium in Canberra. I've run into Denny Dave.
Good to see you, mate.
How are you, man?
Yeah, good.
Dave's no stranger to the street machine scene. Tell us a little bit about this bloody thing that you drove here, mate.
Yeah, it's a 72 ZF Fairlane that was built for the 1984 Cannonball Run, and it raced, and that was Melbourne to Perth, and this is the last race condition car from that event. It's done 3,000 Ks since 1984.
Kidding me.
Spent a lot of time in sheds.
Wow.
I knew of the car in the 90s and tried to buy it, got beaten to it, ended up one of my mates bought it, Chris Stork out of Maryborough. And I just hassled him for years. Sell it to me. Yeah, we got it. It's 671 on top of the original 351 Cleveland, matching numbers car. I haven't opened the motor. It's still 1984 race spec.
Okay. It's
rebuilt 671.
Fair bit of custom bodywork there too.
Yeah, it's a mixture of a lot of French stuff. There's a tacho in the guard, French aerials, and XE or FC or whatever it is, LTD rear end.
Yeah.
XE ESP headlights. Mazda RX-5 grille
No, you're
and a crazy amount of just custom bodywork. Drove here from Deniliquin, plenty of storms, some good footage of optional water injection. No, it didn't really miss a beat all the way up, and yeah, he got wet. We got here about midnight last night. So.
What do you got planned for this weekend? You entered in anything, or?
Just for cruising.
Good seeing you, man.
Yep, likewise,
We'll cut some laps later.
for sure.
A Volkswagen Beetle at Summernats? What's going on here?
Hey mate, you got to have some that are low and slow.
Tell me about it. That's me all over. Who we got here in the back?
So this is Eloise, my eldest daughter.
Has she been to Summernats before?
Yeah, this would be her 7th or 8th. She's come every one since she's been born, so
She's been to more than me.
yeah. She likes cars, don't you? Yeah.
Have you entered any events this weekend, or are you just here for the cruising?
Just here for the cruising this weekend, yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the car. What is this your car? What have you done to it?
So yep, so this is my car. So we got it pretty stock standard about 4 years ago. And I just wanted something nice and low. So I've put a bit of teal, which is my signature colour, and lowered it so it's got 4-inch narrow beam front end, nice 8-inch widened rims on the rear.
With about 11 degrees of camber.
Yeah, about that, yeah.
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 It's very cool, very cool. Have a great weekend. We'll see you out on the cruise route.
Thank you.
Dave, this thing's awesome. Tell us a bit about it.
It's a 1975 Toyota Crown MS65. It's basically pretty much just stock. Everything stock 4M. Just been trying to keep it alive, keep it running. Just cruiser really, like cruise around the weekend.
What colour paint is that?
It's sort of a custom mix, so it's like a lilac, lavender, pastel. I wanted a pastel colour, and everybody's got pastel mint. Everyone's got pastel yellow, so I figured pastel purple.
So you're just going to cruise around in it? No driving events for you?
We tried. So last year was first year with this. We tried the grass events, and it didn't like it. So just fat laps and show and shine, and then yeah, just walking around.
Awesome, man. Well, I think you're definitely going to stand out of the crowd this weekend.
Oh, cheers. Very bright.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
We'll see you out there. G'day, Steve. How you going today?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, good. Tell us about this weaponised ute behind me.
Yeah, just an XC, 368 cube Dart Windsor, Power Glide, brace 9-inch, standard material, here for the burnouts.
Just standard material, you know, just the usual.
Yeah, usual. That's what we run, yeah.
You entered in burnouts?
Yeah, man, entered in the burnouts, in the last chance tomorrow. So, yeah.
Nice. You've entered before?
Yeah, this is 10 years we've been coming, yeah.
Yeah,
sure.
right.
Yeah.
I thought it looked familiar.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Nice. So, well, you going to go out there and blow the tyres off or what?
We're going to give it to it tomorrow. So, from 4 till 6 tomorrow, Arvo, we'll draw out of the bucket and see what happens.
We'll be there having a
No
look.
worries. Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Jay, I don't know if there's much carry left of your Suzuki, but tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, okay, surprisingly it's mostly still original carry. Whole front end's original chassis all the way out the back. It's only been extended a little bit, but yes, obviously the motor is a bit different.
Yeah, what are you running?
So we've got an LS motor with a 400 box and a Hilux diff.
Yeah, mostly stock, he says. It's just mostly Suzuki carry, just standard.
Yeah. Well, the front end is still 100% original. Drum brakes, the whole lot.
Oh, God. So you're entered in the burnouts?
Yes, yep, always the burnouts for here. We just enter any event and every driving we can do at the event, that's what we do.
Yeah, right.
So
you do like to have a bit of fun in the old machine?
yeah, absolutely. So like Rocky Nats, we do the street drags, Red Centernats, we did the power skids and a drag race down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can do drifting or motor carners, we do that. We do anything.
Tell you what, folks, keep an eye out for Jay on the pad. He is, I'll just come out and say, he's a lunatic. This thing's unreal.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
All right, thank you
Have
very
fun.
much. Cheers.
Just a short video for you today, but make sure you check back in tomorrow for the first official day of Summernats. We're going to bring you all the action every day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. All the days.